Hello, my name's Ali and I joined the Bristol and District Lapidary Society in September. It's an incredible place where every Tuesday you can come along and learn how to turn raw rocks and semi-precious stones into beautiful faceted gems and cabochons. The club's been running since 1970 and it's special because it's the only lapidary club serving the southwest of England. Everyone is welcome to join and it's all run by volunteers. But this important community asset has a big challenge. Many machines date back to the early 90s and are now dilapidated, with some critically worn and no longer fit for service. Their replacement is essential to keep the workshop running safely, sustainably and energy efficiently. Add to all this the rising costs like electricity, rent, water rates and supplies, and it's clear to see, even to a newbie member like me, that the club is in a precarious position. As a way to help meet the rising costs, they delivered their first one-day faceting course in November. And they'll do more, but the club has just 3 facetron machines, which limits class numbers to just 3 students per course. With more machines, they'd be able to expand their classes, giving more people access to learning this heritage craft and maximising the funds created during each course. They really need help to buy new equipment now, before the club has to consider closing for good. I feel passionately that we must not lose this unique community asset, and the volunteers who have kept it running for so long should have a bit of help from us in the wider community. And that's why I've started this GoFundMe. If you can donate anything as an individual or organisation, we'd be so grateful. No one takes a salary or makes money from the society. All funds raised go back into the club for the community. Every penny and every pound will be used directly towards buying new equipment so members old and new can have the benefit. We must keep this artisan heritage craft alive right here in Bristol. You can find out more on our GoFundMe page, and if you'd like to come along and give Lapidary a go, you can join us for a free taster session running every Tuesday. Thanks so much for your support.